or do you want to split it all up? Let's keep it that way. Another gentleman who I know you're going to give a big round of applause because in 2013 he won 4 TTs. In 2014 he won 4 TTs. Please put your hands together for Michael Dunlop. Hi Michael. Thank you. Brilliant. Okie dokie, we're moving on. We're going to have the TT table, I think, on the red team. A gentleman who I know you're going to put your hands together for. He is a superstar. He is the only person that's currently with us now that's won 21 TTs. John McGuinness, ladies and gentlemen. But he might be late getting here, so we will move on, but I'm sure he'll be joining us. Right, carrying on with the red team, and I know he's come over from the Isle of Man very, very shortly. He had a fantastic season in World Superbikes this year. He just switched to Kawasaki. Johnny Ray. Talk about the cream here today. Johnny, good to see you. No way. I'm joining you up with your fellow overseas people over here. And joining Johnny on the red team over here, I'm going to invite out a man that's just switched teams for next year in World Superbikes. Ladies and gentlemen, Leon Hasler. Everybody is here today. Leon, thank you. What a team we have got going on here now. Okie dokie, we better start organising a few more people for those guys that know what they're talking about. Runner-up this year, World Superbike, came very close to winning it. Ladies and gentlemen, Tom Sykes. You're on that side. Hang on. I was going to put you on this side, but Leon says he doesn't want you on his team. There you go. I'm going to make you captain. Was that just the once? Tom Sykes, ladies and gentlemen, joining Tom, I'm going to put on the blue team, ladies and gentlemen, Tommy Hill, who's going to be running a team next year. And he should be here, he's probably with John McGuinness somewhere, but I'm sure he'll be out in a little while. He is a team manager next year, so he needs to be on time. Here he is, hey, a little bit late, but thank you, Tommy. Joining the blue team, I'm going to invite to come out here right now. Had a mixed season last year, but he's all sorted for next year. They've had their launch today. James Ellison, ladies and gentlemen. James Ellison, thank you very much indeed. Lovely to see you. I'm hoping they are here, but I'm going to call their names out and we'll see. I know he's got himself a great ride for next year. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Dan Linford. You can join that team. We're going to find out who else is around, and I'm pretty certain that this man is around because he is also signed up to the seal this year, riding for Honda Britain. Please put your hands together for Jason O'Halloran, runner-up in the Superstock. Jason, thank you. Good stuff. Right, 2 more people to come out here. And I'm going to invite out another man that's signed and sealed for next year. The launch of the team will be here on the Black Horse stage on Monday. Please put your hands together for the evergreen, Chris Walker. Christopher Walker. 2 more to come out, and you've already cheered for him the once, but he's finally got here. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for John McGuinness again. They want you that way. They want you that way. Oh, okay, there's 2 more to come. There's more to come. John, you're going over there. Actually, I can't believe you've not sold yourself. I thought you'd be bidding. Right, we have got a man that's come all the way over from France this year. He's been testing the Suzuki Grand Prix bike. He's in World Superbikes next year. Please put your hands together from France. Randy Depunier. Right, Randy, this team. Finally, because we can't keep them all together, the British Superbike champion for the 4th time, Shaky Bird. Right, are you ready? This is going to be absolute chaos, but as I said, you guys over there help them out, and on the left you help out the blue team. We're going to get through this because there's an awful lot to go on the show. Coming.
I've got 2 choices when I ride this door. I have to get the head down see if I can get anywhere near what Hizzy did.
Or your wave.
Or I'll do the wave now. I've got no excuses then. But I'd like to have a real good go at it. I mean, that white charger note, I mean, there's no note people here anymore, is it? And it was a bit of a big, a bit of a Neil Hamlin thing, and now we never understood how Steve Islop won on that. It was unbelievable. It just shows you how good Hizzy was. But he did 122.9 on it, which is fast even in today's terms. Never mind on a 580cc rotary note that not great tyres. Like now the circuit, it gives you 10 seconds free. Really, you've got lost speed in places. You've got Brandish and Whitney Corner. That's maybe 8 to 10 seconds free of charge. So
10 seconds probably.
Yeah, I think the track's worth 10 seconds. So, if you got your head down, think goes as fast as Hizzy, you'd be a little bit disappointed or a bit embarrassed to be fair, but I mean, what an opportunity to get to ride that, I watched it in the hedges with the missus and, it was an unbelievable race, everybody was glued to the radios and they were swapping positions and, like Hizzy being Hizzy, I think he finished second in the Formula 1 race. Philip McCallum won that race, but the bike was overheating, so if anybody saw it on the stage, they made them little vents to try and get a bit more cooling. Took the mud guard off it, put little fork protectors on, and Stevie just got his head down, just shows the actual skill of the man, how good he was. But for me to get the leg over that, it's going to be pretty emotional and a massive honour for me.
Yeah, but then incidentally, I wouldn't mind spending a bit of time in a hedge with your missus. As I said.
Yes, you're not looking at it.
I've got a question to do. This is not. It's for all. It says, what do we think to Foggy in the Jungle? And it's from John Whitmore. He said, am I getting jealous because Foggy's felt Jimmy's ass in the jungle? Yes, I'm jealous. I've been his friend now for the best part of 30 years, and he's never looked at another man before this week. So I'm a bit jealous. What do you reckon to his performance in there?
I think he's a complete selfish toss bag, to be fair. And you know what I'm going to say? He owes me 30 quid, didn't he? Dirty, ugly bastard.
He basically, he got up and left the table because he didn't like a meal that he had and left us to pay, and John picked up the tab and it's kind of never forgotten it, and he wouldn't. I'm assuming that you've been voting to get him in to eat some stuff in the jungle.
I want to see him with a snake up his ass again. Somebody attacking him.
To be honest, I'm a little bit disappointed in the motorcycling community because what I have it on Redale, I'm voting him in for bush chucker trials all the time. It's one thing laying in a pit with some snakes, they're never going to kill you because he won't let you go in with something that'll kill you. You've got to be safe. But to eat, let's say, a little pair of monkey's nuts or some kind of nasty part from a kangaroo or a sheep's flipping snout.
You think he'd do it? You think he'd do it? Kangaroo cock in front of him, he'd eat it?
Yeah, he would.
I'm not so sure. But you know better.
I think he would. Well, he lives in Blackburn, he's been eating stuff like that for years. One last question for the boys before I move on.
So the suggestion is that with the classic bikes you ride them a little bit more sympathetically so they don't keep breaking. Do you ride them any different or not?
No, I had a real good go on that pattern, and before I broke it, I was having a real good go and I wanted to try and make a bit of a gap, and then there's a pit stop as well to do, so you need a bit of the don't stop on that G50 Masters that Rutter Road, they could do 4 laps, so we had to stop for fuel, so I had to put some time into them, and there was a little bit of personal reason as well. I wanted the lap record. There was a young rider called Ollie Mitchell, and I like him, but I just want to grab him sometimes and just throttle him because he got the lap record and he had his chest out a little bit, and for some reason I just wanted to annihilate his lap record, and it was looking good for half a lap, but I did it in practice, but it's not the same in practice. I wanted to do it in the race and shut the little
children here. What about you, Tony? You were a big man on a little Manx North, and a lot of that track must be flat out. You must be thrashing that in a big way.
Yeah. I mean, four straight laps on the 350 was hard. That was harder to run the XR69. 100. decent, to be honest. You know.
Yeah, I guess squeezing up for a big lad is the hardest bit.
Yeah, I mean, been easy about it, but it is it's a nightmare. But it wasn't the most comfortable for lots of fun. But the enjoyment sort of overrode that, and I loved it. So, but yeah, I mean, we weren't told to have any mechanical sympathy for just rev it, you know, go like stink, you know, and rev as much as you want. So I'll do exactly the same next year if we get a bike.
You finished that, didn't you? You finished it?
In the Formula 1 race, I finished second to Michael, and the times, I mean, I know they've gone faster this year, but I mean, I was 10/10 all the way around and wasn't hanging about, and yeah, it's just a close race. I mean, I watched it at Quarry Events this year, because I was watching, and it's only misses, and Michael was first round on a big 1100, and Bruce wasn't far behind. I tell you what, I shit myself. It was watching these boys come flat out, and it just really put the wind on me, to be fair. And I moved, so.
Yeah, Classic TT, late August, early September, special meeting out there. These guys will be here this year. If you've not been, you've got to go. It's fantastic. If not, watch it on TV, because North want to taking it again. It's going to be an out of your course. So please.